Way to go. Queen Alicia, Father Goods Order, Lakey's Way. Down on the inside, Musashi, Diamond Quest, Racing Fifth, rising up. Yes, Joey. It's now Lakey's Way. In the middle, Cash Feeder alongside is Queen Alicia, number one, Musashi. Yes, Joey is Racing Fifth, Diamond Quest, second last, and Father Goods Order is running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Lakey's Way by a length and a half, Musashi. And on the outside, Queen Alicia. Yes, Joey. Rushing up by Darrell. Last 450 meters more to run. Lakey's Way, Musashi. Yes, Joey in the middle. As they race the last 250, Musashi. Lakey's Way, yes, Joey, rushing up at the center, and nearing the last 150 more to run. It's Musashi by a length and a half. Yes, Joey from the outside. Musashi, yes, Joey, and finally it's going back close. Musashi, yes, Joey. Then comes Anthony Rosicas Peter.